So now let's see how we can write a song by using Gemini as well. So what you can also do is you can give it a particular topic and it'll write a song accordingly. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say write a song about a boy fascinated about technology in Singapore as a student, let's say, for example. So I'm just going to go around and then give it this right here. So now you can see that it created out the verse and groups and so forth, as you can see right here. Like it's a skyscraper spears the Singapore sky, but my gaze ain't on the cloud way up high. Got my nose up in a book circuit's my guide, binary dreams flowing nowhere to hide. Tech whiz kid, that's the name they call me, got a future in the code they all can see. From coding contests to tinkering at home, the future electric I've never known. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So it gives the verses, the chorus, the chorus, bridges, and so forth. So I'm also going to say, like, let's say, for example, I'm going to say, give me guides on musical notation for this song as well, just like this. So let me just go around and then say musical notation right here. And then you can see that it even gives me the musical notation guide, as you can see right here. Like it says there's like an upbeat around 120 to 140 beats per minute with time signature 4 beats per bar with C major key, easy to play and sing. And over here in verse, you can see that it says can be sung in the whole note, 4 beat each for a steady feel, 2 beats each right here. And then you can see that it gives me like information on how I can actually sing this right here. And it even gives the chord information in sections, as you can see right here. So over here you can see that there's chords right here, just like this, for all of this, for dynamics, for volumes, and instruments like piano, guitar, or keyboard, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and even write a song by using Google Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.